I don't know if it's ever gonna stop. I don't know if it's ever gonna stop. All this rain and these storms. All this rain and these storms. Do you know what it feels like to be in this life? Do what? The life I'm talking about. See, I gotta take my stress and just run with it every damn day. Yes, I'm taking it slow, cause you know when I promise tomorrow, man. Well, actually, it's what I want to do. But hey, I'm having a lot of anger problems, and ooh, I'm just about to pop off like a pop off top does on the pop off vodka bottle, like my mama did used to. Hey, rest in peace to you and everyone up to the sky who is deceased and not here with us. Hey, yeah, we pray that y'all watch over us when we walk, man, through this evil and cold, lonely ass world. Hey, only thing I got is my sisters and my girl, my nieces and that's it, family. I don't wanna meet no one new, man, because I can't trust no one. The lifestyle I live, except for my woman and homie, that's it. Will it ever stop all this rain and all this pain and these storms? I said, will it ever stop all this rain and these storms? Love is hate, hate is pain, and pain is rage. Yeah, it's a catch-22. Either lose or you lose, man. Now I done fucked it up, that beat. Stop it, I'm back on track, and you know I will keep my head up no matter what they try to tell you. No matter what, fuck the government, fool. Damn, it started over, dog. Baby, it started over. Should I keep it going on? Or should I switch it up? Wait, I can't do that cause I never do. Hell yeah, you know fasting living. Yeah, I got that attitude of a pit bull, man, untamed. Man, I'm off my fucking chain. I'm insane, loco to the brain. Yeah, that's like a bang, bang. I can go on for days, never stopping. They on me like a AK-47, switching it to semi-fully automatic in a minute. Yeah, I hit it for heaven. Maybe I'm in the hell no. A purgatory feels like I've been here for so long. Ever since the beginning, hey, and also with wisdom. You know what? Shitting it. I'm making funny words up as I spin it. I put in it in this word this week. Next week, what will it be? I don't know a little language because Spanish language mean when you're hot. Why must I stay this way? Cause I am not trying to numb my pain, trying to fill that void. But guess what? You know what, homie? The only way to fill that void is through the Lord, G. Oh, ain't that bitch.